Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding on oven. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for a slow, even bake, preventing the pudding from curdling. Next, prepare a water bath by placing your baking dish into a larger pan. This method ensures a creamy texture. Now let's mix our pudding. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients like sugar and cornstarch, whisking them well to avoid lumps. Slowly add your wet ingredients, such as milk and eggs, mixing continuously until the batter is smooth and uniform. This careful mixing prevents a grainy texture. Finally, pour the pudding mixture into your baking dish, which should be ready in its water bath. It's time to bake. Carefully place your baking dish with the water bath into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. The pudding is done when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. This indicates a perfectly cooked, creamy consistency. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature before refrigerating. After cooling, chill your pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows it to firm up and develop its full flavor. When ready, serve your delicious homemade pudding with your favorite toppings, perhaps some fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream. It's a delightful treat for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.